This internship was an eye-opening experience as I get to learn more than what the school had taught me. This internship taught me how to think on my feet while working with the other engineers as well.
My internship has been a really fun and enriching experience, and I also got to learn many new things that I probably would not be able to get to learn outside. Other than that, I also got to meet many different people from many different backgrounds, which I thought was really, really nice.
I learned a lot here in GF, and it was a transformative experience that has fueled my passion for the environment and sustainability.
It's been a fun journey along the way. The team here was very welcoming and very warming, and they let me be hands-on, do projects here that let me contribute to the team.